Don't worry, Mom. I got a guy.
Hey, Dragon, what's going on?
Don Meyer from Plumbing Solutions.
What's going on, bud?
So, I think my water heater's broken, and my mom wants someone to fix it for us.
Well, that's easy. So let me tell you some of the things we're looking for when we put together an estimate. First, I'm going to look at the manufacturer, what's existing. I'm going to look at the serial number. I'm going to look at the model number so we can try to match it as close as possible. And also, I'm looking at the date of manufacturer. If the gas valve is broken, we might have a chance to replace it and save some money. But if the water heater is around 12 years old, it's time to replace it and look for upgrading. So, also when I look at this, I'm going to be looking at a few things. I'm going to be looking at the venting. I'm going to make sure the venting is correct. This is PVC, this is a power vented model. I want to make sure the outside is clear and safe. It's far enough to combustibles, and it's far enough from windows, and it's high enough off the ground so that we don't have to worry about snow loads. I'm going to look at the piping. I'm going to make sure that the shutoff valve is correct and works. I'm going to see how much room we have to make the new connections. I'm going to look at the gas piping, that the shutoff valve is here and installed and working. I'm going to make sure that the union is in the correct order, in the right place, that we have a drip leg, and also just general, how much access do we have? Do you have any questions?
So what do I have to do for you to do this?
That's the easiest part. Usually same day, we're in and out, we have water heaters stocked in our shop, we have guys staffed, and we can make this as easy as possible. One phone call, we'll have the guys here in the afternoon, you'll have hot water the same day, and we take care of the permits with the townships.
The same day?
Same day.
My mom's gonna be so happy.